All right guys, welcome back. We are doing a Chux garage today. We've got the KPM Motorsport guys brought us something, and it's got a lot of horsepower too, so let's go check it out. All right guys, we have Ben here from KPM Motorsports, and he has brought this Mammoth of a Ram, which is what it is.
Exactly what it is.
So talk to us, mate. This isn't your normal TRX, people. Only had 700 horsepower from factory.
Yes.
No, this isn't the normal one. So talk us through it, mate. What do we got here?
Yeah, well, we've got the Hennessey Mammoth. That's obviously they're massive in Texas.
Yeah.
And we are the only ones outside of Texas that provide these packages as well.
Yeah, right.
So we have the customer bring us the truck.
Yep.
And then whatever the customer wants from Hennessey, we can basically bolt it on and get it tuned up for you.
So they've gone pretty hard on this with like the wheels, the bars. What else is there?
Yeah, so this one was the power package with the Stage 2 off-road kit as well. And there's also an option to do a carbon fibre kit on top of that as well, which replaces all your bonnet vents and plastic bits and
Carbon fibre.
For weight saving. So this was like, pretty much about 2/3 of the kit that you can get.
Yeah, 2/3. Yeah, right. So pretty well spec'd. This
Yes.
is, yes. And it is huge. So we'll go around to the side here, and I mean, it's probably my height, similar to what I reckon I need, but I mean, I'm not going to have no problem getting into this thing, especially because it's got, look at those, look at that. We love that. All right. This is it. Interior, was there much to change on the interior?
Only the headrest embossed for Hennessey.
Yep.
Outside of that, like, everything's just power and exterior.
Power and exterior?
Yeah.
Far out. This makes my old Ram look ridiculously
They obviously
small.
come pretty spec'd out when, like from the factory with the TRX lights.
Well, they are. Yeah,
accessories anyway.
With the Alcantara or Suede or whatever it is.
Yeah.
And what year is this one?
22.
22.
Yep.
My God. All right. Well, I just missed the step. Don't need it. So obviously it's come with the wheels, the suspension's been upgraded, or?
Yeah, it comes with we can put a leveling kit in.
Yeah.
They obviously come standard as a little bit squatty at the back. So like we level it out, upgrade from the 35-inch tyres up to 37s, wrapped on like with a 20-inch wheel as well from Hennessey. So that's basically the option that you get as direct from Hennessey.
Do they come with the bars, or is that an
that was a factory purchase? That's what the customers decided to get with along with it, as well as the rollout tonneau.
Yep. And then this is the Hennessey bit.
Hennessey bars, yes.
Yeah, right. That's a serious bit of gear. All right, well, we've got to look at the power pack and what a power pack actually gets you. Like I said, these are like 700 odd horsepower from factory, which obviously isn't enough, especially for this customer, right?
Absolutely. American conversion, they still put the bonnet clip on the other side.
Other side, yep. Loretta used to have a set of these. Not quite as fancy as them, but we might need a little bit more lighting for Loretta. She's struggling in the fog, considering the XR6 is out of action, changing the transmission. It's supposed to be a 2-week job. It's on week 3, which we love. Are you sure it's not over here? Because I thought mine was over here too.
Has it got the bonnet latch on that side?
Yes.
Oh, it does.
Yep, it's in the middle.
So there's not a ton that you can see from the top.
No.
Obviously with the factory airbox system, but if you poke your head into the side, we've upgraded the supercharger from a 2300 to a 2650.
2650.
Magnuson supercharger running on 15 PSI.
Yeah, right.
So we have to upgrade the pulley system. New belt, and a couple other bits and pieces as well, obviously to help
Do you have
the
to
power
upgrade
increase.
the fuel system?
No.
Right.
It can handle the 1,000 horsepower with this fuel system. From what I gather in the States, they're actually doing a little bit of R&D on a 1200 as well.
Yeah, right.
With big induction on the front, but I'm not sure. Like, they haven't given us any details as to whether they upgrade the fuel system on that either.
Of course they haven't. And you've had this on the dyno and everything that yet?
It's about 830 at the wheels.
830 at the wheels.
1,000 at the flywheel.
Well, there you go. That's mental. This thing
it doesn't make sense when you're driving it. The sheer size of it, and then when you sink your foot into it, it's it kicks you back in the seat for sure.
Yeah, and then these are all numbered, aren't they?
Badge and numbered, yes.
Serial number, number 7, 007.
So you get everything's certified from Hennessy and obviously KPM as well. So like you get all certification that you get branded, and it's like 1 of 10 in Australia.
Yeah,
Hennessy have only allowed us to like build 10 here.
10 here, yeah.
This is number 7. So we've only got a couple more left to go, and then these are done. And especially because they're not making them anymore anyway, then we'll be moving on to a different type of vehicle. So
well, hopefully it's another V8 or something.
it should be. I would assume like with the F-150 still doing V8s.
Yeah, true.
So once Australia makes those accessible, we'll have that ability. Also the Silverado ZR2s.
Oh yeah, of course.
Are an option as well. I'm not sure what Hennessy are doing, but I know we're starting to look into those for KPM.
The American trucks are taken over, which we love. You know, mine's a little bit old, but hey, we still love them for it. Well, I know this is a customer's car, so we can't do a burnout.
No,
we don't do burnouts in customers' cars. But hey, can we take it for a drive?
we can.
Well, let's go for a drive. I'm sitting in the back seat nearly. Bloody hell. I'm glad they've got a shifter though, instead of like the little turn
knob
off
thing. Yeah, no, way better.
Good Lord, this is so big.
It's hard to see over the bonnet.
It is far out. I feel like I'm in a bloody truck, like genuine semi-truck. Makes poor old Loretta look pretty small. I'll give you the hot tip. I can't believe how high you sit.
I know.
This is actually ridiculous.
And it feels like you're floating.
Yeah. It's like it wants to take off. I know. Like nearly looking at the sky. Oh, it's truth.
For a car this size, just doesn't make sense.
I know. Far out. That's massive. It's so big.
Yeah, just makes you feel good on the inside though.
I know, doesn't it? Well, that is ridiculous. A small amount, I just drove it.
You're good.
All good.
Yep.
Automatic turn off.
Done.
How good's that? I like it a lot. You feel like driving around, like how I walk around, you know, just like looking over everyone. It's pretty arrogant, isn't it? It's so big. The way you sit in it and just feel like you're that much higher than everyone else. Like you feel like I'm in a semi-trailer. It's that big. And it's like you're looking at the sky because it just takes off. Unbelievable. Unbelievable car. Done an absolute killer job. All right, mate. Every guest gets a little prize. We can stick a couple of them on the back for your customer, or you can give that to your customer, or you can wear it, mate, all you want. We'll get a quick photo and then we'll sign the wall.
Easy.
Let's do it.
Anywhere special?
Wherever you like, mate. Obviously, we've yet to stick this up on the wall. Perfect. Thank you very much, mate. Thanks for coming down and
Not a problem.
taking us. That was good.
Anytime.
We'll put your photo up there. I'm sure it'll develop. If not, too bad. Ollie will have to print one out. Hope you like that episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe.